Hi everyone, are you looking for the best blender? Then you have come to the right place. Here you will find the best blender of desired features as per your requirement. I have selected the top 5 best blender in 2022 for their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links for the blenders are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. And at number 5, the best blender is Oster Versa 1400 watts blender. This Oster Versa series blender lets you combine whole fruit and veggies and other ingredients into nutritious smoothies and healthy dishes for maximum nutrition. Its powerful 1400 watt motor as well as the blade speed of 250 miles per hour allow you to blend food with the highest consistency and with the freshest taste. Maximize the use of your ingredients and discover the possibility of mixing. 64 Oz. BPA-free Triton jar with a spout that is easy to clean and easy to read measurements. The handle is rubberized for safety and comfort using. The pulse feature allows for precise control of the blending. 3 program settings for smoothies, soups, dips, and spreads. It has a 1400 watt powerful motor. 1400 watts of power and 28,000 RPMs. Ideal for green smoothies, juices, nuts, hot soups, sorbets, salsas, and more. Chop and grind using the stainless steel blade spinning at a speed of 250 miles per hour. Drive system made of all metal for long-lasting endurance. Allows you to move ingredients that are difficult to process to the blade to create the perfect blends. Stop slipping or movement in the course of operation. And at number 4, the best blender is Ninja SS351 Foodi Power Blender. Ninja's most powerful blender system that crushes, processes food, and creates smoothie bowls and dough in one place. The powerful 1400 peak watt motor can handle heavy loads without stalling or having shake or stir. It is equipped with 6 functions. 6 Auto 1Q preset programs for one-touch smoothies, extractions bowls as well as spreads, chopping, and dough. The Auto IQ technology takes the work out of making drinks by combining intelligent programs to create distinct time pulsing, blending pausing, and blending patterns that take care of the heavy lifting for you. This blender has an adjustable speed system. Start slow and then increase the speed according to the need for precise mixing and chopping. Within the 72 Oz pitcher, you can do everything from crushing to chop, making smoothie bowls, and dough, all of it in one pot. Nutrient extraction cup with better breakdown to allow for more smooth extractions and smoothies and frozen drinks. And at number 3, the best blender is Vitamix, a 3500 brushed stainless blender. The blender comes with 5 settings to program for smoothies and hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning is able to automatically adapt to the size of the container you have selected. Process your recipes and stop the machine after the process is completed. Its built-in wireless connectivity will allow Ascent series blenders to evolve to keep up with the latest technology over the next few years. The touchscreen controls provide the machine with an elegant look and can be easily cleaned. The variable speed control and the pulse feature let you control the taste of any recipe. The motor base can detect the size of the container you have selected, and then automatically adjust the settings of your program and the maximum time for blending in accordance with. A built-in timer will help you to avoid over or under processing your customized recipes. Set the timer according to the duration of your blend and it will turn off the machine automatically. This blender works with all self-detecting containers. Combine a variety of container sizes compatible with this blender and create a blender that will meet your requirements. And at number 2, the best blender is Vitamix E310 Explorian Professional Blender. 10 speeds that can be adjusted, allowing you to create every texture to perfection in the kitchen, from the most smooth purees to the thickest soups. Mix coarsely chopped pieces of meat with smooth purees to make heartier dishes like large soups, salsas, or soups with a thick vegetable base. The 48-ounce bottle is perfect for mixing medium-sized batches of small meals for the family. cut blades with a diameter of 3 inches to ensure consistency of the mix every time. Electrical ratings 120 volts. It comes with hardened stainless steel blades. Its aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are specifically designed to deal with the most challenging ingredients. From the first blend to the final you will have the same outcomes. Length of cord 4.5 feet. With a small amount of dish soap, warm water, your Vitamix machine will be cleaned within 30 to 60 minutes. You will receive in the box, motor base, 48 oz container, mini tamper, cookbook. It has also a radial cooling system and the thermal shield system. Vitamix blender has a tamper that is designed to make it easier to process a dense tough blend. This means you won't need to put the unit down in order to clean the side. It blends frozen fruit with heavy powder, all greens. Its powerful motors transform difficult ingredients into smooth mixtures each year.
In number 1, the best blender is Vitamix White 5200 Professional Blender. Simply adjust the speed to get various different textures. The dial can be turned at any point in the process, meaning you're completely in control. The dimensions and shape of the self-cleaning 64-ounce container make it ideal for mixing large and medium-sized batches. Design features: radial cooling fan as well as thermal protection device. The blades inside the Vitamix container can reach speeds that are fast enough to produce friction heat. This brings cold ingredients to boiling hot in just 6 minutes. This blender is equipped with hardened stainless steel blades. Its stainless steel blades of aircraft quality are specifically designed to handle the most difficult ingredients. This means that from the very first blend to the final you will have the same results. With just a small amount of soap for dishwashing and hot water and warm water, your Vitamix machine will be cleaned within 30 to 60 minutes. It blends frozen fruit with heavy powder, all greens. Its powerful motors transform difficult ingredients into smooth mixtures each year. Its laser-cut blades are made to give the same high-quality outcomes, from the very first blend until the last. They are not prone to bending or dulling. Vitamix blender has a tamper that is designed to make it easier to process a dense tough blend. This means you won't need to put the unit down in order to clean the side.
I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.